The fuel filter attaches to a length of fuel line inside of the fuel tank. The filter removes any dirt or other debris that might be in the fuel. The fuel passages in the carburetor are tiny, and it doesn't take much dirt to plug them, so a properly maintained fuel filter is critical to a good running engine. The fuel filter should be inspected often and replaced at least yearly. Replacing the fuel filter is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the gas cap. I've made a hook out of a scrap piece of wire. I'll use this to pull the fuel line from the fuel tank. I'll remove the old fuel filter from the fuel line. And now I can install the new one. I want to make sure that the clamp stays over the fuel line. And that looks good. Now I can go ahead and place the fuel filter line back into the fuel tank. And I'll finish by replacing the fuel cap.